You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this band. If you want to learn more names from music, stay tuned. Rock band this is. I've got many more videos. They're Filipino rock band from the Philippines. It's pronounced 4 of Spades. Yes, the IV at the beginning, it's not IV, okay, it's IV, but it's a Roman number, Roman numeral. The V is for 5, the I is for 1, so it's 5 minus 1, which is 4. So it's the Roman numeral 4 of Spades. So it's not IV of Spades, it's 4 of Spades. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.